At Gradient Thermal, we're a Calgary-based innovator, designer, and manufacturer of high-efficient residential heating products.
We were started in 2011, so we are around for 15 years now. We've worked really closely with contractors and home builders to really refine the solutions that we are offering today.
We've taken two very traditional systems, space heating and water heating, and combined them into one single, high-efficient, very compact appliance that does your whole home heating, all out of one box.
It saves a lot of space in a mechanical room, it simplifies installations, and it's high efficient at both furnace and water heating functions. It's a win-win-win from contractor, home builder, home buyer, all through that value chain.
We were thrilled to be the recipient of the ENMAX Amplifier Fund. These funds are going to help us to be more competitive in a highly competitive manufacturing industry. Participating in our business community means participating with great organizations that are advocates of small and medium businesses like the Calgary Chamber of Commerce and the amazing programs and partnerships they have like the ENMAX Amplifier Fund.